Hello. Today is a small review of Harry Potter's diorama, what my fiance built. That's a magic wand. It was been built from a kit. All these parts needed to assemble yourself was been provided in a kit, but all this we needed to assemble together because I've been doing structure, she's been doing all small tiny bits. So now it's review about this, so you can have a look how it looks. That's from the sides. From the back, that's a battery compartment. Here is lights switching on, switching off, and after I will gonna show how to change batteries. Here is on the sides. On the front is opening doors. You can see inside, and also it's opening like that, so you can preview everything what is inside. Now I'm gonna show how to change battery on this. So here is at the back I'm attached screw. Screw is not provided in a kit, I make it myself. So you're unscrewing this until it will gonna release from the box. Now it's released. Here is a like hinges inside, and underneath is a battery. This one is sliding off. Taking out AAA batteries. Have here new ones. AAA. 2 batteries required. One like that, another like that. After you closing, just sliding, and you put back in, hiding cable inside, put back in, 2 will match holes. It's like sliding in down, and after screwing back. That's how you change in batteries. And that's how it's glowing. So all the lights was being previewed on a diorama manual is glowing. When you're opening, you can see underneath everything behind the doors. Here on top is also glowing. If you open in doors, it looks like that. Quite strong lights, and everything is previewed. So underneath is attached board, and on the back like that. And now I will gonna pack this diorama, and for the person who purchased this house, and he will gonna see how I'm packed for him. Here I have already prepared everything, how it must be assembled, because I'm pre-packed first, and after now only for preview how it's gonna be packed. Here is a box. I'm switching off light. Batteries, additional batteries I will gonna put inside, and let's get started. So that's the first part. And also I will gonna explain how to remove from the box. to don't damage it, these tiny small pieces what can be broke off during the postage. I'm trying to pack as properly as possible, but I'm not responsible for this, how will gonna be posted, as I'm not delivering, I'm only securing the parcel. So that's going totally to the bottom, so now it's lined up properly, and let's put all remaining pieces what is here. So here it is. Batteries are here straight away. I'll put them here on the side. They are here on the side, batteries. Now this part. This is going on top of this, securing this part. So it's gonna be like that. Now this part. Middle. Triangles. They are securing this part. Here I'm specially cut off for the corner of the trolley. It's not touching much, but it's securing on a place to prevent damages. This part cut off also especially for this, for preview banner. Like that. And this one here inside, under the trolley. Also, when you will gonna take out this, first, the best way probably will be to open this box and properly take out this diorama from this box, because it's quite secure now. To just cut the corners from all sides, open the box, and then accurately take out all the bits what is on top. For now I'm just packing like that, and it should be as safe as possible. On top I prepared like this thickness lid, so it's just going like that, and I'm gonna pack with aluminum tape. To secure sides. That's one, and today will not going out, making this also. Like this. So now this pack is secured from all sides. It's nothing moving inside. Surround with the foam. Sides are also secured, will not gonna stretch out because this is a plumber's tape. It's quite strong. And now put that in a post paper. So it's additional. They will not have the opportunity to check what is inside. And it's anyway gonna be sent with Royal Mail special delivery. Should be already at the person's home Tuesday, as I will gonna post it tomorrow, and they are doing delivery only next day after postage, and up to 1 o'clock should get this parcel. One side, other side. This diorama took it from us almost 2 weeks fully built. So we've been trying to make it as proper as possible, and I hope the person who will gonna get will be happy with this. From my side, I've done it everything what is depend from me. I packed properly, I posted securely, insured for 750 pounds. Now only need to trust a Royal Mail. Today we're gonna deliver it securely how I packed it. This. So here it is. Only have left to put label, and tomorrow I will gonna post it, and we'll gonna send you reference number for this package. So if I will gonna post it tomorrow, Tuesday up to 1 o'clock, you supposed to get this parcel. That's because this is a service up to 1 o'clock guaranteed. So please be at home Tuesday and you should get your parcel. When you will gonna unpack, please be careful, because up there is a quite gentle pieces, what you can snap it quickly, easily. And best way probably when you will gonna pull up lid, cut the sides and open it, the box. Batteries are inside, additional batteries. On a video you see it already how to change them. And if for example any questions, please feel free to contact me, and here you are, your package. I hope you will gonna enjoy it. Have a good day and bye bye.